Meaning of Harvey's.
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 Harvey's. Harvey's is a Canadian-based fast food chain that specializes in serving burgers made from Canadian beef. The company was founded in 1959 by George B. Sukernick and has since grown to over 300 locations across Canada. Harvey's prides itself on using only fresh ingredients and allowing customers to customize their burgers with a wide range of toppings. The chain has also expanded its menu to include other items such as chicken sandwiches, salads, and fries. Overall, Harvey's is known for offering tasty burgers with a unique Canadian twist and providing fast and friendly service to its customers.